Lordship, one humble request.
Yes.
The children in the matter now completely interfered the relation with the children for the past 9 years.
That would also be taken care of while if we consider your 142 application. And let the application be filed. You can file your objections. We will grant time to you.
But my lord, in the interim, the
हाँ. So 142 application के आगे लिखिएगा. It is IA number 13394 of 2025. ठीक है. और जो withdrawal application है उसके आगे लिखिएगा 222179 of 2025. ठीक. Full stop. In view of the statement made today, we allow the application 222179 of 2025, and accordingly, IA number 13394 of 2025 stands dismissed as withdrawn. Full stop. Next paragraph. Mr. Rawal, Learned Senior Counsel appearing for the petitioner upon instruction states that the petitioner had earlier given her consent for allowing the application for directions, that is IA 13394 of 2025. Now that this same has been withdrawn by the respondent, the petitioner would like to move an appropriate application seeking similar directions for dissolution of marriage under Article 142 of the Constitution of India. As prayed. How much time do you want for this?
1 week I'll find out.
A week's time is granted to the petitioner to move the said application.
2 weeks, Lord, sorry.
2 weeks time to move the said application. Full stop. Next paragraph. Further, a chart has been submitted by the petitioner showing reflecting the maintenance which has fallen due since 15th March 2018 till 15/11/2025 with respect to the wife and the 2 children of the respondent, and also reflecting the amount paid by the respondent in the meantime. According to the calculations as per the said chart, an amount of 10,80,100 is outstanding
Only towards maintenance.
towards maintenance.
And these are the expenses, not for education.
Keep it with you. Maintenance as on 15/11/2025. Full stop. A copy of the said chart has been provided to the respondent. The respondent is granted 2 weeks' time to file a response to the same in case he finds that the calculations mentioned therein, the details mentioned in the said chart are not correct. Full stop. In case the respondent finds that any amount is still outstanding, he shall come ready with a draft for the balance amount on the next date. List this matter again on 1st December 2025.
Lordship, one humble request.
Yes.
The children in the matter now completely interfered the relation with the children for the past 9 years.
That would also be taken care of while if we consider your 142 application. And let the application be filed. You can file your objections. We will grant time to you.
But my lord, in the interim, the visitation of the
It's
children
already
is
there.
granted.
Already granted, Lord.
No, they're not following. It is not good for the children. My lord, may show some indulgence and
File पे रख दीजिएगा.
Lord,
just
one,
at
one request I have to make.
online, because the children are in
One of
Kolkata
these-
online every day at least 15.
He has a
30
video
minutes in the
says he
evening.
speaks every day, Lord.
No, I
This is my
don't.
instruction.
That is not fair. I would request a court order because then there's a compliance required from them also. So because if one is going to be granted, the children's interest should also be taken care of.
Yes.
Lord, one request I have to
Yes.
make. Lord, one of the son is a Canadian citizen. His passport has expired 5 years back. My Lord, now Aryan. Now as per the Canadian laws, my Lord, the father has to also sign the application.
The
He's
problem
not-
is,
So you put everything in your 142. We will consider it
I
time
will.
of final direction.
Grateful. Lord.
And Mr. Rawal, you also have to take instructions with regard to his
Visitation.
request regarding visitation. What is happening and under which court's order visitation rights are granted?
Yes, Lord.
Which court has granted?
That is on record.
Family court.
Family court.
Family court.
The IA is there for that. 16459.
What is the visitation right?
So I've
Not
been
weekends
given,
and vacations.
I've been given half of summer vacation, half of winter vacation. I've been given weekends with me. Now she moved to Kolkata as per her convenience. She's well off. My affidavits are there. She's making this story up, but now she's
Still
not
there,
following. My
okay.
visitation has suffered.
Still coming to Bombay.
You know, because
Apply for modification of the visitation.
no,
See,
but
they are coming to Bombay to meet him.
the family court orders are state. No, my lord, family
Where-
court proceedings are state. Just some one line order may be passed that she has to. Now it has to be online unless the court decides finally.
Let it be till
But
the
at
next
least
date of the-
2 or 3 times a week, 2 hours or 1 hour online, sir, would not hamper the. Nothing would go wrong with that.
No, next time we'll bring the children also if lordship
No,
will be
next time is that's not fair. Because until then, what happens? Every day the children don't get to meet the father. That is not fair.
So is he communicating with the children
done.
online
Yes,
every?
I have instructions.
Now
from my
it's a
client, yes.
little bit
My
here
client
and
can
there.
also watch.
She interferes. That is not a fair state.
They have a different
Yes,
phone number.
now you said
Sir.
that not at all. Now you have changed your stance. That
Sir,
little
not
bit
at
here and
all.
there.
What happened is the games they play is when in May, the court had already interfered. Then she started giving some, online. So this is when now she's relying on that. Ask her to produce anything before May 2025.
We can't go back.
We can't.
We
Exactly.
can't. So
With
therefore,
money,
we have to move forward.
but sir, with
So now
money,
if today you
money we
are
can.
getting time to interact with your children through video conferencing,
Utilize that.
utilize that.
But video conferencing is not happening. She interferes. The children turn
They have
off the
separate
video.
phones, will not.
Video. There are things like that. I'm not making this up, sir.
Mr. Todi,
Sir.
it is very difficult.
So only a visitation order may be passed.
It
Is
is
all I'm.
all about.
Malad, my IA maybe looked at the orders there for visitation. How can she
Very
not follow? I'm
The-
required to follow the monetary.
List this matter again on
First
December.
lordship.
Both the parties to again remain present on the
Please,
said
Lord.
date.
Malad, nothing for visitation. Malad.
Nothing. You continue. You come back and tell us on the next date with an affidavit as to how many times you interacted and how many times she interfered.
I'll do that. Much obliged.
Next.
Happy for the respondent, my lord, why? Similar type of matter.